Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Telegram. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is just simply open your Telegram account. Now after you're inside your Telegram account, choose the group that you want to verify. So in this case, it's going to be the 021 over here. Now click on your group name. Now over here, just simply copy the invite link. So click on the name of the link, just like that. Now click on copy link. Now the link is copied. Go back to the home page of Telegram. And over here, just simply search for a verified bot and you should see a bot like this. It is the official verification bot of Telegram. And it will also have a verification symbol right in front of it. Click on that. Then click on start. Now all you have to do is just simply paste the link that you just copied of your group and hit send. Now with the verification should take up to 24 hours. Now after 24 hours, the group should be verified. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.